Diamond's a woman's friend.
What's the big deal? That I stalked some stinking rich Nigerian guy who bought me a $24,000 worth of diamond? What? Don't mind Abiba.
Oh, shaky.
I can take it. I've learnt my lesson.
Indeed. This is $2,000 for your generosity.
Oh, come on, Chief.
No, it's too easy.
My friends call me constant heartache.
Seriously, you need a psychiatric evaluation.
Pardon?
You like the fine things of life, Abby.
I do like the good things of life, but I also like power.
Hey, Mama, see.
Oui, c'est très magnifique.
You like big things, eh?
Say that again.
I have a big surprise for you.